How to change battery in Mazda CX-5 Key Fob. Friends of ZiiCars News, see you soon. Now, let's say you own a Mazda CX-5 but lack the skills necessary to change the battery in your vehicle. Then, naturally, you don't have to be depressed if this occurs. For what reason is that the case? Because ZiiCars News will be offering instructions on how to change the battery on the Mazda CX-5 Key Fob on this particular occasion. You can watch this video until it's finished for more information. 1. Gently pry between the black back and the chrome side of the dead key fob to remove the back cover. It is advised to use a plastic pry tool to help shield the plastic from harm. 2. After that, take off the Mazda CX-5 key fob's battery cover. 3. After that, take out the faulty battery and dispose of it correctly. 4. After that, reattach the battery cover and insert the new battery with the face up. 5. In order to properly reinstall the key fob cover, press down on each of the 4 corners until it locks into place. These are some of the instructions provided by ZiiCars News for changing the key fob's battery in a Mazda CX-5. Alright, hopefully this was helpful. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel.